Welcome, in front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will show you how to get your cursor back on the screen when your touchpad isn't working. So even if you don't have an external mouse for this task, you can still use your sensor display. So to fix the problem, tap on the Windows button, so the Start button, click Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, then scroll down and select Touchpad, and then right here, if your touchpad is disabled like this, you can enable it by switching the toggle. But if it doesn't help, then we'll have to do it another way. So open the Start menu, then open the Device Manager. Then here you'll have to expand the Human Interface Devices. Okay, like this. And then select the Human HID compliant touchpad. Open it, open driver, and tap on Disable Device button, confirm. Okay, then enable the device again. And if your touchpad still isn't working after that, then the last option to do, the last thing to do is to uninstall this device. So uninstall it. Okay, so it disappeared from the screen, and right now the only thing you have left to do is restart your PC like this. Wait until the device restarts. And once your device is restarted, your touchpad should start working properly. But if it still isn't, then it probably must be broken at this point, and you should contact either DELL customer service or just the nearest repair center, and they will most definitely help you out in this situation. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.